Oh, it's not even turned around the right way.
That was it. That was pretty sweet, man.
But someday, baby, you ain't worry my life anymore.
Oh my God, is that a skateboard? Why would you bring a skateboard to the skate park? What the fuck is wrong with you?
I'm a fuck up. I'm a fuck up.
What does this Chihuahua think about it?
This is a Chihuahua Terrier, actually.
My bad.
That's cool, don't worry about it.
What? Oh, runaway board. It's a cool dog nonetheless.